All right, guys, we're back. Woo! Steven is working on getting the oil pan put on. He's got the cam in, which we have a video coming for that, or it was actually already posted. But he's gonna need my help getting the oil pan on and getting everything started. So I'm gonna jump over there and help. Ooh, yeah, fancy. All right, guys, welcome back. Steven is putting push rods in the engine. I don't think engine's spelled like that, but he's putting them in there. I think we've had a couple days here with no
activity.
Well, we've had activity, but I don't think I did a video of any kind. I know Steven's got a video for the cam install that I haven't edited yet. So we'll see what that looks like. I'll tag it up in the corner if I can remember. So, all right, push rods are in on the driver's side, and we are about to do valve springs on the passenger head here in just a second. Yay! All right, guys, engine is back together. Heads are on, valve covers on, coil packs are on. Valley cover is there so we can put the engine in. Torque converter is in down there. You see? I guess this time we're fixing to throw this thing back in here right now.
Inside the grade with his red painted fingernail hand smoothly shifted gears from first to second, and from second to first, and from first to second, and back to first.
All right, guys, quick update. Hey. Steven down there. What are you putting on, Steve?
All the plug wires, the motor mount bulbs, the dry sump pump.
Fun.
All kinds of stuff.
I've been working on the intake a little bit and fixing to get it mounted. Just ran out of time-lapse video or time-lapse pictures in the battery in the other GoPro, so figured we would give you guys one of these real quick, and this will have to do while we work through some of the other stuff. So. All right, man. Woo! 2 a.m.
Yeah.
Let's give these people what they want.
Is in. All wired up. All bolted up.
Motor's in, bolted down, wired up like you heard him. We have exhaust manifolds, inner fenders, and all of the sheet metal work on the front. We're going to try and get that knocked out tomorrow. That's it. Back on Project Betty White today. Steven's down there getting some stuff done, getting the exhaust manifolds put on. So while he does that, I'm going to jump in and do the K&N intake system here for you. Woohoo! Front end is all back together. Steven is under the truck putting the last bits for the skid plate, and he just finished welding the exhaust, so let's take a look at it. Well, he's got the front welded. I was mistaken, and we're definitely not going to leave it open like that because it'll just be too loud and drony. So
which the actual dump that he has is not going to have a whole lot.
No, but looks good, gonna sound great too. Black Widow exhaust. Did he give you any number on it or anything?
No.
All right, front end is completely on. Steven needs a piece of pipe for the exhaust.
Woo!
And all right, so that's it. We're just waiting on the TCM from HP Tuners and throw some oil in it and some trans fluid, and we should be good to go. So subscribe to the channel to keep up with what's coming. Thanks.